Jeez! Nah, you driving harder than I do. Damn. Whew. I heard some tires on that one. You got some tires. You see? Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'll just be making my girlfriend drive my 335i. You know, she's driven it before, but I'll probably still title this video like her first time driving it because I need some watch hours. I'm trying to get to 4,000 by the end of the month, you know, so too bad if you got clickbait a little. But my car, it's not fully bolt on. I got the aluminum charge pipe and the upgraded intercooler. I still have to get the catless downpipes. So yeah, once I get that, it's going to be fully bolt on, so it's not actually fully bolt on like the title says. But you know, I'm going to throw it in sport, you know, let you guys hear some pops, you know, see like how it is to drive the car, you know, and I'll let her tell me if it's faster than the Lexus or not, because I can't really tell, to be honest. But yeah, you know, let's get to it. Let me jump in. Cool. Jeez, you're already revving it. No. Excited. Yeah, I won't put it in sport, plus I put it in sport so you still have traction. Go when you're good. If you guys hear some bags, it's just all of these things we bought today. Just a bunch of bags back there. So, you know, I'm the passenger this time. You know, usually it's me driving, but I'm the passenger today. Jeez, they are going at it. I guess you can floor that like the light. You don't want to floor it because you'll probably slip. But yeah. Oh, I thought you were going that way. No. Gee, she going at it. You hear the shifts? You hear how good it sounds? I probably should turn my flash on. Oh yeah, it's a million times better with the flash. You see how we're all suited up? It's freaking cold. It's crazy how much the car throws you back more when you're the passenger. When you're driving it, you don't really feel it that much because like you're controlling it and you know when you're gonna floor it. I can't wait to get my M Sport steering wheel. Like I already have it, but I just want to install the paddles, the carbon fiber paddles, before I put it in the car. And my M Sport bumpers, I already ordered those. And what else? Yeah, and my front lip diffuser, all that, I already got them. I just gotta wait for winter to like calm down a little bit, because right now it's too cold for that. Gonna give it a little dig from the stoplight. Jeez! Cutting up on all that. I don't know if you guys are hearing the shifts. This sounds so good. I just got my new charge pipe though. Right now my check engine light's still on. But I'm getting another code, but I don't think it's anything bad. As a lot of people got it when they changed their charge pipe. I think it might be the air pressure sensor thingy. I'm not sure though, but the car is driving so much better. I want to give it another floor. Jeez! Nah, you driving harder than I do. Damn. Yeah, she knows how to use the paddles as well, because you used to use the paddles in the Lexus. Yeah. But for tonight, we're just gonna leave it in sport, just for now. Maybe in the next video, if you guys like this one, she'll just use the paddles for the next video. Damn, you driving faster than I do. You think it's faster than the Lexus?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, she thinks it's faster than the Lexus. Definitely faster. Yeah, plus the Lexus, I had like a throttle controller and all that, so yeah, I think it's faster, to be honest. It's faster on paper as well, like the specs. Can't wait to tune it, eh?
And when you put the other one, it will be faster.
Yeah, I already have a throttle controller for this one. I just haven't put it on the car yet because I need new tires and all that, so I'm not trying to push the car too much because my tires are pretty much bad, but like they're done right now. I have new tires though. I just gotta get an appointment because it's crazy busy at all the shops, so gotta get an appointment for that, and then I'll put the new tires on. But this car's about to be crazy next year. Jeez. Whenever we get to like the more residential area, I'll roll the back windows down so you guys can hear like the pops. It's popping pretty good right now though, because the car is kind of warm, so it sounds really good. Okay, let me roll my window down a little bit. Give it some gas.
Is it neutral?
Yeah. Damn, here you can go. Wait. You have to get out. Go now. You good? Yeah, you guys can hear the pops a little bit. I think I have to put the back windows down though for you to hear the pops better.
Well, that's a call.
Damn.
Shit.
You're good. You wouldn't hear the car from there. It's too quiet. Like, it's two cops right there.
Nah, I told you there'd be cops right over here.
Yeah, they couldn't hear my car though. It's too quiet. It's stuck. You can't hear
I thought
nothing.
that we stopped.
Oh, we're at the stop. Oh yeah. I guess it's fine. I almost got pulled over driving my BMW. Almost got me a fat ticket. Imagine.
You'd be paying.
All right, we're gonna give it one more pull and then hear some pops and then I'll just end it off there. You know, I don't want to be doing too much because cops are everywhere. Wanna go? Jeez. Nah, being passenger is way more fun, huh? Nah, it's not more fun. It feels different. It feels different. It's not more fun. Because I would kill to drive my car.
You don't feel it being a driver.
Nah, being a driver, you don't feel it.
Anything.
Nah, because you know what you're doing, so you don't feel it as much. But passenger pushes you back. It's crazy. I guess you can just turn around.
No, one more here and then turn up.
Oh, yeah. All right, one more. See, she's even seeing more pulls. Whew. I heard some tires on that one. You got some tires. Jeez. Yeah, that's the last pull though. Yeah, I think we just do some revs now, get the exhaust sound, and then I'll just end it off right here. It's a shorter video. If you guys like it, damn, what car was that? If you guys like it, just let me know, and I'll probably do another POV. You know, especially when the car is modded. You know, that's gonna be a way better POVs that time. But yeah, I'll just pull up somewhere and do some revs for you guys to hear the pops, and then that's gonna be it. All right, ready for the pops? Let me just put my phone out there. I stopped driving so you guys can hear it better. Because when you're driving, all you hear is the wind. You ready? Mm-hmm. Go for it. Pop. Just barely give it some gas. When you rev it that far, is that? No, you have to rev it to like 3,000 RPMs. Like the number three or number 4.
So what do? I have to hold it.
No, you just rev it. You literally just tap it for like 2 seconds. Like there, let go. See? Yeah. Go for it. Yeah, you can go. Jeez, them pops are warm. You don't have to press it down slowly. You can press it faster. You see? No, it sounds good. But yeah, at least now you know how to make it pop. Because the Lexus didn't pop like that. So yeah, you couldn't know.
Yeah, we didn't ever stop and do that.
True, because the Lexus doesn't pop like that.
Do that.
True. Okay, but that's about it for this video. If you guys like these kind of videos though, that like I'm not driving, let me know. You know, especially when the car's modded, like I said, it's gonna be way better. Oh, that's my seatbelt. But yeah, that's about it for this video. You know, let me know if you guys want to see any videos, and also if you can share the videos. I'm trying to get to 4,000 watch hours before the end of November, or else I'm literally gonna have to restart. You know, so if you guys can share the videos, go ahead and do that. You know, let me know if you guys want to know anything in the comments. And that's about it. I'll catch y'all in the next one.